Data science is one of the fastest growing fields in technology today. डेटा के एक्सप्लोसिव ग्रोथ के साथ देयर इज ए हाई डिमांड फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स जो इस डेटा को एनालाइज एंड इंटरप्रेट करके इनसाइट्स निकालकर कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. That's why we've put together a list of the best websites to learn data science. So let's get started. डेटा साइंस सीखने के लिए जो मोर स्ट्रक्चर्ड अप्रोच प्रेफर करते हैं उनके लिए Coursera is a great option. It offers a range of courses and specializations in data science taught by leading professors and experts in the field. इन courses में video lectures, quizzes and assignments हैं जो help users learn and apply the concept. Another great option for learning data science is Data Camp. इसमें wide range of courses and projects on topics such as data analysis, machine learning and visualization available है. The courses include video lectures, coding challenges, and real-world projects to help users apply the concepts they've learned. Another great platform for learning data science is edX. It offers a range of courses and programs in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. The courses are taught by leading universities and experts in the field and include video lectures, quizzes, and projects to help users apply the concepts they've learned. Finally, we recommend Kaki, a platform that offers data science competitions and challenges. इसमें यूजर्स को प्रैक्टिस और सीखने के लिए डेटा सेट्स और कर्नल्स की एक वाइड रेंज भी शामिल है. The platform is used by businesses and data scientists around the world to collaborate and share their work. There you have it. Our top recommendations for the best websites to learn data science. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data scientist, these resources can help you improve your skills and stay on top of the latest trends and technologies. So go ahead and start learning today.